Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to draw dashboards and storyboards in Tableau. For that I'm selecting a COVID-19 data of United States, and in order to do dashboard you need to have certain goals. So here I have three goals. On my first goal I'm going to draw the visualization for the first goal on the sheet 1 and rename this as goal 1. My first goal is I want to do a distribution between a state and number of deaths. Drag and drop the state and number of deaths to the rows. Okay, so I get a simple bar chart, and you could drag and drop that to a label. Okay, second goal, I would just like to view the states of the geographical location. For that I'm going to draw a field map. For that I'm double clicking a state, and then under marks I'm going to select map, and I want to see each and every state in a different color. I'm dragging and dropping the state to a color. Okay, you could rename this as to your goal, filled map view maybe. And if you want you could drag and drop the state to the label as well. You could be able to see the labels. Even in the goal 1 you could write here, double click on the sheet name so that you could see the goal. Instead of that you could write distribution of deaths in states. Okay, so I got my goal 1, goal 2. Goal 3 would be a distribution of cases in last 7 days versus state. State cases in last 7 days. States. Rename this as goal 3. So now we get three different things. Okay, in goal 2 what I'm planning to do here is I want to apply filter. So for that I'm dragging and dropping state to the filters and just select all. Okay, and click OK. Edit filter, you can click on the drop down list and show filter. Okay, you would be able to see all this. So goal 1 I have my death rates, number of deaths with in the states. Goal 2 is a field map view, and goal 3 would be the distribution of cases in the last 7 days. And here if you notice I'm clicking always on the sheets, new worksheet. If you look at here you have new dashboard, and at the last you have a new story. Okay, so now click on the new dashboard, and then you get all the three sheets what we have drawn here: goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. So just drag and drop goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. Okay, I got these. So now this is all goal 2, and this is also part of goal 2, which is a filter that I have been applied. So now if I unselect and select some states, your dashboard is not dynamic here because you are able to see all the states, whereas in my field map, I'm going to see only the states that I have been selected, which is because I have applied filter only to that particular sheet. Okay, so for that, what we have to do is you select this state filter and click for more options, and here you see apply to worksheets, all using this data source. Okay, and now if you're able to click this, if you're able to select whatever the state it is, you could select that. Alaska. And now it is more a dynamic for you. You could be able to see this. Here in the last cases in last 7 days, we didn't select the label, correct? So you could go back to goal 3 and you could drag and drop the cases in the last 7 days to the label. It's here and your dashboard would dynamically updates that. Now you could be able to see how you would be how this is going to vary, how the deaths are going to vary when compared to cases in the last 7 days. And if you want, you could uncheck these and able to see. And here in the field view map, you could see the location of that particular state, whether they are neighboring states or whether they are non-neighboring states, whether which region they are located at. So this way you would be able to see the dashboard. And one more thing I want to show, which is a storyboard, which is at the end, very last one. Okay, so even in the storyboard also, you could be able to see all the sheets what we have drawn, including the dashboard. So basically, you have a caption here, and you would be able to drag and drop the sheet, which is here. And for goal 2, drag and drop something before or after, however you want to see. So just drag and drop to the add caption there. You see those two triangles, one is inverted and one is triangle. That way you could see the next one. And goal 3 would be here. And if you want to add caption here, you could go ahead and write my own story that I'm going to write about that particular thing. So in this, which state is having highest death rate? In my selection, Florida is having highest death rate. You could write your story there. Similarly, you could write your story here in the field view map. Florida is in green color. In this also you would be able to see, and you could even put the dashboard also at the end. So you could be able to see here in the presentation mode by clicking first one, second one, third one, whatever the story that you want to tell to the audience here. Here is the presentation mode. So this way you would be able to see both the dashboards and storyboards. In order to do that, you have to have specific goals, and those goals and the visualizations for those goals should be in individual sheets, and then you create dashboard, then storyboards. Thank you for watching.